What's up, my fellow e-riders? I hope you're having a great 4th of July weekend. If you're new to my channel, my name is Adam. Thank you for clicking on the video and giving it a chance. Today is Sunday night and I'm riding solo, guys. It's all by myself. We're gonna head out to the car show. They do this in Miami Springs. They have this cool car show. They do one for Christmas. I think they do one for Thanksgiving. They also do one for the 4th of July. So we're gonna ride over there, check it out, and see what kind of cool cars they have. I like cars, so I don't know, maybe some of you do, some of you don't. But it's a nice little ride, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go check out the cars. Alright guys, we made it to the car show. Let's go in there and check out what we got. Looks good from here so far. Alright guys, let's turn around and get it on the cars and not on me. Nice 70 Impala. Oh, look at this one. 5.0 with a nice Coyote motor in it.
Happy 4th of July. Award presentation.
These always look like a lot of fun to run and ride on.
Style. Miami Springs, happy 4th of July.
I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for all this music.
We've got a couple of $50 gas cards. We've got them. Your way up, please. Words are next. No, it's a whole group.
It's about to be finished.
Great evening.
Thing is slammed to the ground, guys.
2008 yellow Corvette.
Now we got no music playing. And try to get all these cars in here. Cutlass. We got a Trans Am. Cool looking Camaro. We got mirror roof there. It's convertible.
47
I think they're gonna have like a parade.
2020 yellow Corvette. '54 Chevy pickup. '97 Chevy Tahoe. Two-door.
Can you rev your car? Thank you.
Yo, man, you got a nice car, man.
37 Ford Coupe Black for Best of Show. Please come up and vote.
He's dying by a woman. Really?
I don't know, you guys, a bunch of parked cars up there. Yeah, that little button, open it up the exhaust there. Alright guys, that's going to be the video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July also. This was cool, nice little bunch of cars. A lot of modern cars. I was hoping to see a little more classic cars. But I hope you guys enjoyed this anyway. Until I see you next time, alright? Peace! Z28, one of my favorite cars when I was a kid. Sounds awesome.